This scene will take place in a retail store. So notice the sign on the wall that says, "Welcome to the retail store." This should make you think of retinol or vitamin A. So think retail store for retinol. Okay, before we move on, let's talk about the layout of this image. The left side of the image on the bottom floor, so right here, will contain information that applies to vitamin A in general, such as the function of vitamin A. The right side of the image, near the bottom of the stairs, right here, will contain information about a vitamin A deficiency. So just think of the lower level of the store, near the stairs, representing low vitamin A levels. The right side of the image on the top floor, right here, will contain information about excess vitamin A. So the higher level of the store represents high vitamin A levels. Hopefully the layout of the image will be helpful in memorizing each component of this particular vitamin. Okay, with this in mind, let's continue discussing the image. First off, notice the chef right here. He's paid the retail store to set up his cooking booth in their store in order to attract new customers to his restaurant. He has a nice sandwich platter set up with various types of meats and cheeses. The sandwich platter should help you remember that vitamin A is important for the normal differentiation of epithelial cells into different specialized tissue types. So think of the various sandwich types representing the different tissue types. Unfortunately for the chef, he's not doing a very good job attracting new clients because he's kind of making a fool of himself by spilling grease all over his face. The pan here is alluding to the idea that vitamin A is necessary for the normal differentiation of epithelial cells into pancreatic cells. So pan for pancreas. Again, this is reinforcing the idea that vitamin A is necessary for the normal differentiation of cells. Notice that the chef is holding an ice pack in one hand while he cooks. This is because he's having a pretty bad day and accidentally burned himself. Now he's trying to alleviate the damage with the ice pack in his hand. So the ice pack should help you remember that isotretinoin is a vitamin A derivative medication. So ice pack for isotretinoin. The grease getting splattered all over the chef's face looks kind of like acne. This alludes to the idea that isotretinoin is used to treat severe cystic acne. Next, we'll show some berries on top of the chef's table. Berries are normally rich in antioxidants, so these will represent antioxidants. For step 1, you should know that vitamin A is an antioxidant.